it's dark. Cherokee's outside. Got the first drive in. Did not go well. Front calipers were locking up, so I just had fought with that. But that's not even the worst of it. Compound turboed LS, yeah, motor didn't blow up, worked great. Big turbo decided to eat itself or eat something. I think filter came apart. That's in there or something. I don't know. I have to dig more into it. And then that forced itself into the little turbo. So I'm going to try to buy another compressor wheel for that. Replace that. But I guess that's also the thing with running eBay turbos. Shit happens. I don't know. We'll see. Got to diagnose. I'm going to wait till it's daylight tomorrow after work so I can dig into it because I'm a little irritated. And I just want this thing to be done. It's been a long 6 months.